Welcome back to Nettie's Footprints. It's your girl Nettie, and today we are diving into the excitement of New Year's Eve right here in the beautiful city of Perth in Western Australia. From scouting the perfect fireworks spot to soaking in the festive vibes, I'll take you along for the ride. Let's get started. Right now, I'm headed to South Perth Esplanade to check out the perfect spot for the fireworks. Perth offers several fantastic locations to watch the fireworks. Here are my topics. One is the South Perth Esplanade and second is the Kings Park. Both provide incredible panoramic views of the fireworks and the city skyline. The second one, if I had a boat, it would be on the boat on the Swan River. For a truly unique experience, you can watch the fireworks from water and surrounded by reflections of the city lights. There's a lot of boats parked there.
I just arrived, but...
And the third and the fourth one is Elizabeth Cay, a central location with stunning backdrops of the city. Barrack Square near the Bell Tower as well. That's an iconic Perth landmark with views along the Swan River. And Bidaya Drive as well in front of the Perth Convention Centre. There's a spacious area that's perfect for groups. We are here at the south side of Perth, looking towards the city skylight in front of us for the 8:30 fireworks to begin. The celebrations kick off early with the 8:30 p.m. fireworks display, perfect for families and young ones who want to join the festivities before bedtime. This lasts about 12 minutes. This dazzling show is a brilliant teaser for what's to come at midnight. Now the 8:30 fireworks come to an end. So now the actual countdown begins. Some of the people that were on this side have gone back to Elizabeth Cay and some gone up to Kings Park to see the fireworks at midnight. So we wait around the south side to celebrate New Year. Happy New Year, everyone! Happy 2025. Welcome to 2025. you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.